Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store, and I put up this app called My Points Mobile. Now I have talked about this in the past, but I need to bring it up because it is one of the best apps that you can start right now and make money daily. So let me go ahead and show the screenshots so you can learn a little bit about it. So earn points and get free gift cards. Shop and save big at your favorite stores like Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, Target, JCPenney's, and much more. Answer. So earn points when you answer fun surveys and polls. So that's what this is all about. You're going to be answering fun surveys and polls, but they also got other ways for you to earn, which I'll tell you later. Daily goal. Earn bonus points by completing your daily goal. So as you can see right here, today's daily goal. So let's just read a little bit more about this app so we can learn what it's all about. Get My Points Mobile and earn free gift cards faster. Join the millions of members who have already earned over 300 million in free gift cards. So My Points Mobile enable you to earn points for shopping online and taking fun surveys. The My Points Mobile app is the perfect way to extend your earning opportunities wherever you go. So earn towards free gift cards by shopping top retailer sites, answering surveys, discovering in-store deals, and shopping local deals. Now check this out, guys. Redeem your points anytime for $5 to $25 gift card for Amazon, or PayPal Cash, or a Target gift card, Walmart gift card, or Starbucks, and they have many more. Now let's just look at the review and rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.4. Now I know, guys, it's kind of low, but sometimes when they do updates on these apps, some things have little glitches, so people are going to say bad things about this. Because this app has been around for a long time. It's a very, very reliable app, and it's been around for a long time. So don't let the 3.4 rating discourage you. Now let's just look at one review here. So Danielle says, it's nice that you're not always being taken to new tabs for everything. It works well, though the zoom in bar on the bottom of the screen never goes away. See, so little things like that, guys, they might complain about, but as long as this app is delivering what they say they're going to deliver, which is you get paid to do surveys and polls, then this is a good app, guys. Now what I'm going to do is go to their website. I have an account, so I'm going to my account and show you guys around and show you what you're actually going to be doing to make this money. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So up here at the top, you see they have shop, they got deals, surveys, magic receipts, games, travel, and they got more like bingo, sweepstakes, to-do list, daily poll, download score, search and earn. So you know they got a lot of ways you can make money on here. And they also have refer and earn. So when you refer this website to somebody, they're going to give you a link where you can share the website with your friends. As soon as they join, you're going to earn that way also. Now right here they have the top earning offers. Right here, 42,500 points. This one right here, 5,950 points. And this right here got 3,500 points. and stores you might like. So here are the stores, eBay. See, you get a point for shopping at eBay. Amazon, you get 8 points. Walmart, 2 points. And here's the magic receipts. So when you give them a receipt for this right here, 680 points. And receipt right here, 170 points. Then they got tax events, best buy, top deals, travel deals. So guys, they got multiple ways you can make money on here. Now here's the refer a friend and earn 3 ways. So get 480 points bonus. So you and your referral get a 480 point bonus when your referral earns 300 points in their first 30 days. And here's the second way, get a 750 point bonus. So get a 750 point bonus when your referral spends $20 or more on a single transaction. So here's the third way, get 10% of your referral's earnings for the life of their account. How about that, guys? So you can just get money like that passively. Now I just want to show you how the surveys work. So each day they have a survey where you can unlock. When you click right here, you unlock a survey, and once you complete that survey, this one just takes 3 minutes. You're going to get 80 points. So that's how the surveys work. Now I'm going to show you one last thing here. I'm going to show you how to redeem your points. So I'm going to click right here where it says redeem points. So as you can see here are the rewards. So these are the rewards you can get. Now here's the PayPal. So if you want to get PayPal cash, you would click right here to get paid through PayPal. Now you got to have 3,970 points to cash out on PayPal. Now guys, once you complete all these different surveys and all these different ways to win, you can get paid that day. You get paid that day, guys. So you don't have to wait for weeks to get paid. And if you don't want to get the PayPal money, you just want to get gift cards. As you can see right here, they got the Amazon. You just need 2,370 points to get the Amazon gift card. And here are all the others. You just, got to get those amount of points to get these gift cards. And one last thing I want to show you. I got 800 points as soon as I signed up. So all I need to get is over 1,000 points and I can cash out through PayPal. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So you need to join this website, guys, and make this money, because this is a very good website, very good app, and you're going to make some money doing all these different things. And it's been around since 1996. So it's been around since the inception of the internet. So this is a very, very reputable website. So go ahead and go to mypoints.com on the website to sign up, or just go on Google Play, download the app called My Points. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. And share this video everywhere, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.